Hello students, today we are going to learn our first history chapter, the Indian subcontinent and history. इसका ये हमारा आज का चौथा वीडियो है. In last videos we see the sixth important region, the course of Indian history. उसमें से हमारा फर्स्ट हिमालय, सेकंड the plains of the Sindhu, Ganga, Brahmaputra rivers, third the Thar desert, and fourth the Deccan plateau. ये टॉपिक हमारे कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं. अभी फिफ्थ चालू है, द कोस्टल रीजन. ओके. From the time of the Harappan civilization, ancient India had trade relation with the western countries, and that western country people, it was very easy to bring all the import export activities through sea. This trade was carried on by sea. Therefore India had developed contact and interaction with foreign culture and people at the sea ports. Okay. Western country people, it was very easy to bring all import export activities through sea because it was cheapest means of transport, and now also true. Later on land routes come to be used for trade and transport, but the importance of sea routes did not diminish. सी रूट्स का इम्पोर्टेंस जो है वो कम नहीं हुआ. नाउ ऑल्सो सी रूट्स एज विल द फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. ओके. नेक्स्ट है द आइलैंड इन द सी. अंडमान एंड निकोबार आर द इंडियन आइलैंड इन द बे ऑफ बंगाल. Lakshadweep is a group of Indian islands in the Arabian Sea. These will come from fill in the blanks. The location of this island may have been important in ancient sea trade. The manuscript Periplus of the Erythraean Sea or Handbook of the Red Sea makes a mention of Indian island. It has been written by unknown Greek sailor. Okay. अभी नेक्स्ट है द इंडियन सबकॉन्टिनेंट. द सिटीज ऑफ हरप्पा एंड मोहनजोदड़ो आर इन टूडेज पाकिस्तान, अफगानिस्तान, पाकिस्तान, नेपाल, भूटान, बांग्लादेश, श्रीलंका and India together from the region known as South Asia. Considering the expanse and significance of India in this region, it is known as the Indian subcontinent. The Harappa civilization had spread mainly in the northwestern part of the Indian subcontinent. China and Myanmar, our neighboring countries, are not a part of South Asia or the Indian subcontinent. However, they had culture and trade relation with ancient India. They have an important place in the study of ancient Indian history. ओके. समझ में आया. जो हमारे बाजू वाले देश है, चीन है, म्यांमार है, हाँ, बट दे आर नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ साउथ एशिया और इंडियन सबकॉन्टिनेंट. हाँ, फिर भी उनका और हमारा क्या है, पुराना रिलेशन है इन एंशियंट टाइम. ओके. यहाँ पे हमारा ये लेसन क्या हो रहा है, फिनिश हो रहा है.